everyone, and welcome back to your girl's channel. My name is Michal, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really cute hairstyle using Betterlength clip-ins. So I'm going to be starting with a curved part on freshly washed hydrated hair, and I'm only going to be applying 4 braids, so you don't need a big section. I really like side parted hairstyles with like a wash and go look to it. Using some hair oil is really helpful when it comes to braids in general. I like to apply my Jamaican castor oil to my hair because it keeps my ends hydrated, and the hair growth that you achieve when you are using Jamaican castor oil is crazy. So I'm just creating a little small part, and I'm going to be braiding that braid forward. I actually love styles with the braids coming forward. It just adds a little pizzazz to your style, honestly. For those of you who are watching this tutorial but you're not sure on how to braid, I do have a how-to cornrow for beginners, which I will link in the description box below. I highly recommend it. But I'm going to let you guys finish watching this part of the video, and then I'll come back later and let y'all know what else I'm getting into with this hairstyle. So I already finished my wash and go off camera. If you would like to know how to do my wash and go, I already have a video on how to define your curls, which I will also link in the description box below. But I'm just adding rubber bands. I'm going to basically be using the products that I use for my wash and go for those ends, which is my Neruvi and my Extreme Gel. Make sure you don't forget to add water. You don't want to be putting products on dry hair. So I'm just taking out the ends, spritzing it with water, applying my mousse, applying my gel, and then I'm just going to shingle it like I did the rest of my hair. So because I'm not done with adding pizzazz to my hairdo, I'm taking 5 beads because I'm extra AF. I am going to place it on that first strand coming forward, and I'm going to push those beads up and secure it in place with the rubber band. I'm sorry, I don't like boring hair. I just can't do it. So for the vision I had in my head for the hairstyle that I wanted to achieve, I felt like I needed to stretch my hair, which is something I typically do not do. But I'll do it if I need to get that look that I want though, period. On to the best part. So now all I'm doing is using my Betterlength texture clip-ins in the texture 3C4A, which I've actually had for over a year. Y'all probably like, over a year, girl, those things look fresh and new. I know. Y'all want to know my secret? Let me know in the comment box below. Anyways, all I did was free part my hair, no combs or anything, for these clip-ins to actually look the way I envisioned it in my head, and it came to reality. I loved the look. I loved everything about it. The texture clip-ins were actually moisturized, which matched how moisturized my hair was. I was like, I can't be having these dry clip-ins in my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys finish watching how I place these clip-ins in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Bye.